Now let's take a look at this figure 22-15 that deals with dryer load equipment in accordance with 220.54 and table 220.54. And if we have, less than 4 dryers, we take them at their nameplate value, as you see in the illustration. So we have a dryer that's 5.5 kW. Now, in accordance with our table 220.54 and section 220.54, and in according plug connected in accordance with 220.14b. And then, of course, again, when you look at these dryers, you'd go over and look at 250.140 for the grounding requirements, which you can also find in, I believe, Chapter 16 of Stallcup's Designing Electrical Systems, Volume 2. But step one now, we're going to work what the question asks. What is the demand load in VA for this dryer? So 55.5 kW is 5.5 kW, 4 or fewer dryers at 100%. So we would take 5.5 kW times 100%, and we would use naturally 1,000 to get rid of the K. We come up with 5,500. So the solution and the answer is 5,500 VA for this dryer in accordance with 220.54 in the NEC. And that's what this illustration is illustrating to the user of the NEC.